Good morning. Let me tell you the story of the travelers and the purse. Two men were traveling in company along the road when one of them picked up a well filled purse. How lucky I am, he said. I have found a purse. Judging by its weight, it must be full of gold. Do not say I have found a purse, said his companion. Say rather, we have found a purse. And how lucky we are. Travelers should share alike the fortunes and misfortunes of the road. No, no, replied the other angrily. I found it, and I am going to keep it. Just then, they heard a shout of, "Stop, thief!" And looking around, saw a mob of people armed with clubs coming down the road. The man who found the purse fell into a panic. We are lost if they find the purse on us, he cried. No, no, replied the other. You wouldn't say we before, so now stick to your I. Say I am lost. The moral lesson of the story of the travelers and the purses: we cannot expect anyone to share our misfortunes unless we are willing to share our good fortune also. Thank you very much.